people climb this hill to see the volcano. Okay, there is some vehicle driving behind me. I have to move away. Ah, that's volcano shuttle. Jägermeister written on the back. I don't think you can come here with a normal car. This road is not fit for that. Only with a special type of vehicle. So let's get on the hill and see the volcano from the top. Luckily we don't have rain today. It's really good. So let's win. See the hot lava. It's boiling inside. How you see it? The volcano is erupting. It's only one vent erupting. I saw it from the drone. But there is a lot of lava coming to the front of the volcano. Lots of helicopter noise, plane noise. Everybody's trying to take a picture, selfie. It's a big event, you know. Once in a lifetime experience. Yeah, that's what we see. You see some hot lava, but there is one wind erupting. You'll see it. This is view from the hill. Yeah, and there you see hikers going here all the way. It's a long way. That's he's going up there. Yeah. Greetings from Iceland. God bless.